Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a tight list of 5 to 10 seed keywords that match real user intent. Open Google Trends, set the location and time range to the market you care about, and select the appropriate category to remove noise. Once done, compare 2 or 3 terms at a time so you can spot meaningful differences. Make sure to switch between web search and YouTube to understand platform-specific interest. This gets you actionable, comparable data immediately. You now dig into patterns, look for seasonal spikes versus steady growth, and note whether interest is rising or declining. Use the Related Queries section to find high-growth modifiers and long-tail phrases that you can target quickly. Once you identify rising terms, export the CSV so you can merge trends data with your keyword volume and difficulty tools. Make sure to normalize comparisons and mark dates of events that skew trends. This explains sudden jumps and guides content timing. You finish by converting trend signals into specific SEO tasks. Prioritize content briefs for rising, low competition modifiers and craft titles using the exact phrasing users search. Schedule publishing to match seasonal peaks and coordinate promotional windows like product launches. Once published, track weekly for interest shifts and update meta tags, headers, and internal links to capitalize on momentum. If metrics stall, revisit related queries and widen the time range to spot hidden trends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.